Hello, air traffic control. This is helicopter pilot Bill Buketis, looking for a place to land. Over.
Yep, loud and clear, Bill. The helipad is all yours, safe to land. Just look for the big H, you cannot miss it.
Where is the helipad again?
Just head for that big H, you cannot lose, my friend. Okay, see you on the ground, mate. Over and out.
The top story for today, a helicopter has crashed into a local McDonald's, injuring 50 people. The crash was apparently due to the pilot mistaking the M for McDonald's for an H for helipad. Quite how this mishap occurred is still up for debate. Over 50 children came in for fries and paid with their lives. Tim Tanley on I7 News.
Alright, Bill, we've cleared you for landing. Now you know where to land, right? The big H, Bill. The big H. I want you to tell me what the big H looks like.
Like three lines. Like a sideways I. Over.
Right. Don't muck this up, Buketis. I put a lot on the line for you.
Hey man, don't worry. Don't worry. I've got this. I'll be home in time for dinner.
We don't live together, but sure.
The big H. The big H. The big H.
Our top story for today. A helicopter has crashed into the H of the Hollywood sign. Hundreds have been killed, maybe even injured, maybe even dead. The residents of Hollywood are in mourning. I've been Lemony Snicket, and this has been 222 Salmon News.
Roy? Hey, Roy. Roy?
My name's Richard. You're thinking of Roy.
I've crashed, Roy.
Great. Great. Where are you this time, mate? Where are you? Where the fuck are you? Big H. Can't even see a big H.
I've crashed. I'm in the sea.
The sea? He's in the goddamn sea! Oh, what? Because like the letter C, Bill? Is that your whole deal, is it? Oh, you thought it was an H? You goddamn stinker! You fucking cretin! I hate you, Bill Buketis! I hate you so much!
No.
Okay. Go on then, Bill. What was it this time?
I can't fly a helicopter. I haven't even read the manual because I can't read. But what I can do is be honest about my limitations. And isn't that really the greatest skill of all? You know, as a wise man once said, when one of us lives in two houses, you only really live in one.
He's dead.